In this video, we will learn how to fix Salesforce API OAuth error. Could not verify Salesforce administrator credentials. Let's get started. Log into Salesforce and go to Setup. Go to Apps and App Manager. On the Okta row, click the drop-down arrow and View. At the API OAuth settings, click Manage Consumer Details. This will email you a verification code. Enter the code and click Verify. You will see the consumer key and consumer secret. Click Generate and then Apply to save the new consumer details. Copy the consumer key, then navigate back to the Okta admin console and paste it into the OAuth consumer key section. Repeat the same steps with the consumer secret in the OAuth consumer secret section, and click Authenticate with Salesforce.com. You will now be prompted to log into Salesforce and verify the authentication, then click Save. And that is how to fix Salesforce API OAuth error. Could not verify Salesforce administrator credentials. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.